In this video, I'll teach you how to edit in Adobe Premiere Pro if you're a beginner. Okay, so open up your program, Adobe Premiere Pro, and the first thing you're going to do is click New Project. Give your project a name and you can choose where you want it to be saved. You can ignore the rest of the settings for now and click OK to open your project. First, let's add some media. Go down to the project panel and double-click anywhere it says Import Media to open the import window. Locate the files you want to use. You can hold the Control key on your keyboard to select multiple files at once. Then click Open. You can also drag directly from your files to import your media, and it will appear in this bin. Next, drag one of your clips on the timeline to create a new sequence. A sequence is basically the container that holds all the media of your timeline, which is the main section you're editing. The sequence settings will automatically match the first clip you add. For example, if you add a 720p clip into a 1080p sequence, the clip won't fit the frame properly. To fix this, just right-click the clip on the timeline and choose Set to Frame Size. For the next steps, I'm a bit zoomed out on the timeline. To zoom in, hold down the Alt key while scrolling with your mouse. To trim the beginning or end of a clip, move the playhead to where you want to trim, then drag the edge of the clip inward. If you want to remove this section from the middle instead, select the razor tool, click at the start and end of the section you want to cut, then select that section and press Delete. Another way to trim clips is by using the source panel, which is especially useful for long videos. Double-click a clip on the project panel and open it in the source panel. Move the playhead to where you want the clip to start and click the left bracket to set an endpoint. Then, move to where you want it to end and click the right bracket to set an outpoint. Drag the clip from the source panel onto the timeline and only that portion will be added. Since this clip is 720p in a 1080p sequence, I'll right-click it and select Set to Frame Size. You can also resize your video by double-clicking it in the preview window and dragging the corner handles. To reposition it, simply click and drag the clip inside the frame. To move clips around the timeline, make sure you're using the selection tool, then drag them wherever you want. You can even stack clips on top of each other to play them at the same time. If you want to add audio, just import it and drag it below your video clips on the timeline. Now let's add the transition. Go over to Effects panel and open the Video Transitions folder. Find the transition you like and drag it between two clips on the timeline. When you play it back, you'll see a simple dissolve effect. Next, let's add some text. Select the text tool, click anywhere in the preview window and start typing. Once your text is added, switch back to the selection tool to move it around or resize it. To change properties like font or color, make sure the text clip is selected on the timeline, then go to the Graphics panel and click the Edit tab. To keep things simple, I'll just change the font. Another basic editing you might want to make is changing clip speed. To do this, right-click a clip on the timeline and select Speed/Duration. Adjust the percentage to speed up or slow down the clip. As you can see, the clip is now moving faster. Finally, if you want to freeze a frame, move the playhead to the frame you want to freeze, right-click the clip and choose Insert Frame Hold Segment. This creates a new clip that holds the single frame for a few seconds. And that covers the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.